In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the add to cart quantity box into drop downs in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so if you want to create a similar setup to this, so here we are on our product page, and as you can see, the quantity box has now changed into drop downs. So we can customize the increments of this drop down. So say for example, we could increase it in increments of 2 or maybe 5. Whatever you like. We can go ahead and set a maximum limit. We can set a minimum limit as well. So if you want to create a similar thing in your WooCommerce store, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So the first step is to head over to woosuite.com. Go ahead and download the WooCommerce minimum/maximum quantity plugin. Once you've done so, let's head back over to our dashboard. I'll leave the link to this plugin in the description below. So now let's head back over to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, assuming you've downloaded and installed the plugin, so you just go plugins, add new, go ahead and install the WooSuite core plugin, and then go ahead and activate the minimum maximum quantity rules plugin. So then step 2, we'll navigate to WooSuite and then go ahead and select min max quantity rules here. So for this example, I'm going to create the drop downs on a global level. You can also customize this on a product basis as well. But I'm just going to show you on the global level. The same concepts apply to the product level as well. So here the first thing we say, who do we want this particular rule to apply to? So we can set it to everyone, meaning that everyone will get the same experience store-wide, or we can set it to guest users, which are users that are logged out of our site, or to a specific user role. So I'm just going to leave it as everyone for now. And then the main thing here is if we scroll down and then select display quantity as drop down, automatically you'll get the same setup as we have here in our example. So here it will increase in increments of 1 and then it will go up infinitely. Okay, so we can customize this some more. So where it says quantity step, so let's say for example, let's say 5. Let's test it step by step. Let's go ahead and hit save changes. So now it should increase in increments of 5. So now let's refresh this page. Okay, and instead of it being 1, automatically it's set to 5. Then we've got 10, 15 and so on. So let's say, for example, if we wanted to limit the amount of products the users can add to cart for this particular product, we can just go ahead and set it here. So we can say 40 products. Okay, and then hit save changes. We can also set a minimum as well. Okay, and now let's refresh this page. And then now this should cap out at 40. Okay, so there we are. Dead simple. So whilst we're here, let me show you how you'd achieve a similar setup on a product level as well. So we just created it on a global level, meaning it will apply store-wide. Now, let's say, for example, if you wanted to customize it to the individual products. So I'll just go ahead and edit this product here. Okay, and then now you'll see this minimum maximum quantity rules area here. So again, just like on the global settings page, it's exactly the same. So who do we want this to apply to? Everyone, guest users, or a specific user role? Again, I'll set it to everyone. And here we can go ahead and select this option here to enable our drop down. So let's say, for example, if you wanted to disable this globally and only enable it for specific products, then this is how you do. Just enable this option here. And again, we can change the quantity. For example, I can set the quantity step, the quantity step to 2. This is the default quantity, by the way. And then we can just go ahead and hit save changes. And now it should increase in increments of 2. Okay, so let's view product. And here we go, it's increasing in increments of 2. So rule set on a product level will always override rule set on a global level as well. And also it'll override rule set on a category level. So in order of priority, it goes product level, category, and then global level again. And that's how you change the add to cart quantity box into drop downs in just a few simple steps. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.